Why would it be important to actually get inspections done prior to listing your house on the market for sale? After seeing about 2,000 homes recently sold here in Scottsdale, Arizona and in Phoenix, Arizona, I know something about that.
Hi, this is Andrea Larson with eXp Realty.
In our area, it is typically customary for the buyers to pay for inspections, but when would it be advantageous for a seller to actually do them prior to going active on the market? We don't always recommend this, but here are some great examples as to why having inspections done prior to the listing is helpful, and it's great for the seller because it can end up saving you time and money. As a seller, you want to be aware of the conditions of your home and the property, and we don't want any unexpected costs to come up with that you weren't aware of. We've seen termite inspections well over $50,000. Imagine getting a termite bill for $50,000, and the only way the buyer will buy the home is if it's fixed or paid for. And what if you've already purchased another home and you need that $50,000 to qualify for your next purchase? This would be creating a huge problem for you. What about this? Let's say you found out that the home you're selling needed a new roof or an air conditioning unit that had to be replaced. You could do a few things. You could sell the home as is and just disclose the issues, or you could not sell it all, or take what needs to be done and fix it. The idea behind getting inspections done prior to actually going on the market is so that there are no unexpected surprises that could financially hurt you later. We want the seller to be aware of any additional expenses that could possibly arise from the sale of their home. The inspections we're recommending are standard, the customary inspections that a buyer would do. We recommend a home inspection for the roof and the termite. So those three things: roof inspection, termite inspection, and the home inspection. And if you live on land, there's other inspections that I will recommend as well. In most cases, you have the option to pay for these up front or when escrow closes. In regards to the home inspection and the termite inspection, it's actually helpful, but not mandatory, to make sure all the health and safety issues are fixed, as well as Section 1 termite work, which includes dry rot, leaks, and of course termites. These are also very common requests that the buyer have. So it helps the seller because they have much more assurance that they will actually net what it is they thought they were going into escrow for. And it'll give you the peace of mind that the buyer won't ask for any unreasonable, outlandish repairs that really aren't necessary. It also cuts down on inspection times. Having inspections done prior also protects the seller if they have a replacement property to purchase and they need every single penny to secure that sale of their next escrow on their new purchase. Also, the buyer is more confident that they are buying a sound home and it is in move-in ready condition. Also, if there's a bank financing on the property, some loan programs require health and safety issues as well as the Section 1 termite work that we talked about. That has to be completed prior to closing escrow on the property. So with that already being completed, there's further assurance that the loan will go through. To wrap it up, sellers and buyers and lenders are more confident throughout the entire transaction that the home will actually close. It keeps everyone safe and sound during escrow and after the close of escrow. As always, everyone, if you have any further questions, reach out to me. Make it a great home selling and buying day in this beautiful sunny state of Arizona.